things that you need to know about Brother before we even find out about the spec of this machine. So 4 things. Cycle time reduction, Pete.
So yeah, cycle time reduction, it will be 30% faster straight out of the box than a 40 taper machine.
Okay, and then energy consumption reduction, which is a hot topic at the moment.
Oh, well, that's absolutely huge. So it'll give you an 80% reduction in energy consumption, again, compared to a 40 taper machine. That's 80%. It's huge.
It's huge financially. If you think long term of the lifetime of a machine tool, that's huge. That's what everyone wants to hear now.
Yeah.
Right, footprints, tiny like me.
Yeah, it is indeed tiny like you. Really, really small footprint. So what we're looking at here is productivity out of a small floor space. We want to make as much turnover, as much margin as we can out of every square metre. That's what this machine is designed for.
Okay, and the 3-shift running is very important. These machines are built differently.
Yeah, these machiners are indeed designed for automation. So the Brother itself is designed, manufactured for 3-shift continuous running, which is facilitated by the Speedio system that sits on the side, so it's unmanned.
Okay, so this machine, tell me about the specification. Who's going to want a machine like this?
Well, it's volume producers in the main, but we do have users that are producing smaller volumes and even one-offs. The speed comes from the dynamics of the machine. So the machine moves at 22 metres a minute, 2.2 G acceleration. Indeed, the more point-to-point work we've got to do, the faster it is. It comes spec with a 22-position fast-acting tool change, that's 0.7 of a second tool change time, 16,000 RPM spindle, and just a nerdy point, it can get from 0 to 16,000 RPM in 0.2 of a second, and back to 0 in another 0.2 of a second. That's partly what makes it so fast.
Pretty quick.
Pretty quick, and it's a 5-axis machining centre as well. So this is spec'd as a 4+1,
right.
But you can have it as full simultaneous 5.
Oh, simultaneous, yeah.
And it's also got a turning spindle introduced into the bed of the machine.
Is that unique?
So it is indeed. So it's a mill turn machine. So we've got a 2,000 RPM turning spindle, direct drive, introduced into the bed.